Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody. I have a untraditional fall/autumn tour in store for you. Okay, love, so I'm going to briefly tell you what I've done in our family room for fall. Since I've just recently did a video for this side of the room, I'm going to start over on this side of the room. So the only thing that I've done in this space on this side was I changed out my pillows. I had the aqua light teal colors in this space, so I have now the dark teal with the silver with some splashes of gold in the space. Now for fall, I purposely did not add a lot of pumpkins in the room. Basically all I did was warmed up the space just a tad bit more with darker colors. That's what I did in this space. So as you can see, everything is still the same over on this side of the room. My coffee and end tables are from Rooms to Go. I don't have the link to them. They're still available on that website. You can go to order them. My lamps are from Walmart. I will leave the link below to those. Now, what I like about these lamps is how tall they are. I think they're like 40 plus inches. And I didn't pay very much for these lamps. I think I paid about $175, maybe $200 for a set. Now these lamps are Z Gallery dupes. The only difference is the Z Gallery dupes come in gold, silver, and white. These are clear. If you want, you can spray paint these lamps. Now in Z Gallery, one lamp is $300. You get two lamps for less than the price of one, and you can spray paint the bottom or just leave it like as I have them. So I didn't change anything on my end tables. Only thing that I did do to the coffee table was add my squirrel pumpkins here. Not pumpkins, my candle holders, which came from Bath and Body Works last year, and I added one pumpkin. And I added this beautiful gold pick here that's from Hobby Lobby they had it last year and the year before. I don't see these in Hobby Lobby this year. Now what I did so that it won't hinder from watching TV is I cut some of the strings off so that it's not as full and it won't block the TV when you're sitting over on that couch. All these pillows are from Z Gallery. I've had them for a couple of years, but you can still get your hands on these pillows here because I saw them just recently. I haven't seen the Cerulean Glam pillow in Z Gallery lately, but these are in Z Gallery. Okay, love, so these super cute Ming boxes that you see in the middle are from Z Gallery. The vase trio set in the middle is from Z Gallery as well. Not sure if I said that. Okay, loves, my camera was going crazy with on my my gizmo that I had. So again, the ottomans are from Ross. I've had them for a couple of years. My Ming boxes in the middle are from Z Gallery. My couches, they're both love seats. Now this was supposed to be a part of a sectional, but I didn't get the sectional. I just got the end pieces because I didn't want to take up, all that space over there in that corner because I know that I had my waterfall that I needed to put in the space, especially when we did what we did to the floor. So anyway, back to the couches. I would not recommend buying that. If it's not real leather, don't get it from Rooms to Go, because this is not a real leather couch. And what it's doing in some places where we sit a lot is the color is rubbing off of the couch. So that's not good quality, because I haven't had these couches for more than 2 years and I'm already ready to replace them because of the color coming off of the couches. I really love the couch style itself, but I just don't like the fact that the color is fading off of the couch. So don't recommend buying these couches from Rooms to Go. The wall art on this side over here is from Home Goods. The mirror on the wall over here is from Burlington. Wall art on this side is from Home Goods. Wall art over on this side is from Kirkland's. The picks that you see here is from Hobby Lobby. The vase is from Home Goods. My bookshelves are from CB2. Everything that I have on that bookshelf is also on this bookshelf. I will place a link below just in case someone's interested in checking out the bookshelves. My TV console is from Wayfair. My candle holders on the console is from Bath and Body Works. The little fall arrangement here is from Home Goods. The vase that you see on top of my bookshelf is from At Home. Ceramic books from Z Gallery. Pumpkin from Home Goods. Candles from, I think those candles may have came from Amazon or Home Goods. That tray came from Joann's Fabric. Ming boxes from Home Goods. The vase at the bottom and the picture frame is from, I didn't mean Home Goods, I meant the Ming boxes are from Z Gallery, as well as the items on the bottom shelf. The fireplace scenery that you see going on my TV screen is one of my videos. Feel free to use it whenever you like. If you want to film some of your videos with a fireplace scene, I don't mind at all. You can record me saying that so you won't get any copyright violations, because I like to have my own scenes playing in my videos, because I don't want to use anyone else's and get any copyright violations. I have my window blinds open here. That's my outdoor space. I can't wait to decorate out there for fall. So anyway, loves, this video was fun to do, and this is the color that I will keep in here for the fall. I'm not going to change this color up at all, but I will be doing a lot of color changing in my living room. So I've already did purple and orange in my living room. I love that space. That's my happy place. That's my most favorite room in the house, besides from my master bedroom, which I don't do very many videos in there because I always have it a mess. So I'll try to get it together for the fall. So anyway, I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.